Gotta go get my fidget. Gonna get my fidget.
Put that stupid thing right down. That's the most nerdiest thing that you can get. Or else I'm gonna kill you.
Junior! Ah! Don't show your face. Guy.
What?
I'm gonna kill you.
Why? Why?
I'm a murderer! Ah! Yeah, I'm coming.
Stop it! You better not wipe me with that. You wipe me with it, I'm gonna kill you.
Hurry, Franklin! Franklin! Grab your fidget!
Come on! I'm coming for you. Come here, kid.
Oh, donkey! Oh, man! Oh, man!
What are you doing? You horrible person. Hey, you wanna play gunfight? Come on.
Dude, we're still making a video, right? Sorry, guys. Messed up. Continue. Dude, you have to get the dad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Surprise.
What?
Grab a gun. Grab that other gun that I was using.
All right. Yeah, but dude, we're playing doing something on the video. Man, I gotta kill this guy.
You're dead. You're dead.
I'll kill him.
Whoa. That's not Jackson.
You're dead, I got you. You're dead. Head fall on the ground.
Oh, man. Ugh.
We're not killing puppets anymore.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh,
Oh,
Stay free. I'm miserable.
and have bad appeared to you?
You're dead. Let me in the bathroom. I have to go. Give me my fidget back, sir. Wait, let me go get my son Franklin. Sir?
Oh! You horrible person!
Give me my fidget.
No!
Stop
You
it.
left it in the bathroom.
No, really, dude.
Why would I get it to you? Because you left it in the bathroom.
Ow! Dude, give me my
I'm gonna
fidget.
shoot it if you don't stay back.
Give me my fidget, Hunter. I'm gonna kill you.
Over fidget! Stupid dumb person.
Ah! Hunter, the Hunter. Come get me. Come and get me.
You're gay.
No, it's not.
Yeah, you're gay.
No.
But dude, we're playing on top of each other.
Alright.
Who would freaking do that?
Alright, guys, if you post the best comment and the most random comment, you're gonna win this fidget spinner.